So Mom and Dad are out having a tryst at a motel with each other. Don't freak out. So Joaquin and I are going to have an event that we like to call Soup, Salad, and Crafts. And I am going to make some nice asparagus soup. I love cream-based soups. And there are lots of things that you can use to make a cream-based soup. Other than cream, you can use coconut milk. You can use nut butters, but actually this soup is going to use oatmeal. I know, Jane, get out. I'm serious. I've got an onion, a whole onion, sauteing, it's nice and soft, in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna add a stalk of celery. I'm gonna add some cumin. I'm gonna add some dill. I'm gonna saute that for a couple of minutes. And then I have this asparagus, which I have trimmed. Now, what that means is you take your asparagus, I did wash my hands, and you want to bend it at the bottom of the stalk until it breaks, and it's going to break exactly where it needs to break. This bit is a little bit too fibrous to eat. This is going to be the tender, delicious part of the asparagus. So I'm going to put that in and let it saute for just a few minutes and get soft. And you know, while we're doing that, Joaquin likes it when I cook something if I give him some tasty trivia tidbits about whatever it is we're making. So I did a little Google search on asparagus and found some interesting facts. I think you'll enjoy this. Benjamin Franklin, in a wide-ranging discussion of bodily discharges, once noted, "A few stems of asparagus eaten shall give our urine a disagreeable odor, and, wait, there's more, a pill of turpentine no bigger than a pea shall bestow upon it the pleasing smell of violets." Now, while we all enjoy that image of Benjamin Franklin performing various experiments on his Wii, that's gotten tender. So I'm going to add 2 cups of stock. This is vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock if you want. You can use any stock that you like. I made a little bit of a mess there. Shocker. I'm going to add the oatmeal. I'm going to add this bay leaf, and I'm going to add a little sea salt. And then I'm going to bring that up to a boil. Going to bring it up to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer for 15 minutes. It is said that in a venerable British men's club there is a sign reading, "During the asparagus season, members are requested not to relieve themselves in the hat stand." I can't take it. You never know what you're going to get when you Google. You really don't. I'm taking this bay leaf out. This is all done. This is going to be so delicious. And I've got my immersion tool. I'm just going to puree this. You don't have to puree it. If you want to eat it with the whole asparagus and the oatmeal, it's fine that way too, but I like it this way. So you want to make sure you keep it immersed, unless you want to asparagus Jackson Pollock on your face, like I almost just did. Okay. That is magic. Oh, one thing I forgot to do. I'm going to put a little lemon juice in here. Just brightens it up a little bit. Now that it's pureed, I'll just mix that in. All right, I'm just going to okay. If I worked in a restaurant, which I have, I'd go like this. And then I'm going to put a little bit of sour cream to garnish. Give it a nice little tang. And there you go. What could you imagine would be tastier for spring, huh?